Welcome back to the channel. I'm just Mopar Joe. So I want to do a quick video. I got my Isky Racing cam in and I wanted to do a quick unboxing for you, show you what it's all about, show you the cam card, talk about it in a second. We've been having terrible weather in Arkansas, so for them to be able to ship this out, I think I got this on Monday or Tuesday, and it was like Tuesday was an ice storm, Wednesday was 8 inches of snow, whatever. But here we go. So let's check it out. I did go ahead and cut it open just so I wouldn't have to fiddle with a knife and do all that stuff. Sealed up real easy. There we go. Oh, look at there. I got me a free t-shirt. I didn't buy a t-shirt. See what it says. Do it right, Isky Racing Cams, Ed Iskandarian. And there's that back. I did tell the guy, said, hey, I've got a YouTube channel. Throw me in some stuff. And he did, I guess. Let's see. Cam. Kind of nicely done in some isolators here. And we got lifters. And stickers. Sweet. Let me set this out of the way. The lifters are a 310. Let me show you. 310 2H. So it says American Motors 290 to 401 V8. But I'll show you one here real quick. Coming out of that side. So that is a solid lifter from Isky. Looks pretty sweet. Got a little bit of surface stuff going there, but it's fine. I like to inspect all of them before I put them in, just to be sure. Take a couple and lay like this. Be sure there's not anything funny going on, but they're not flat. They are just slightly, I don't know if you can see that or not. Got a slight bit of high spot right there. Nice. So the cam itself is a 390135. There it goes. So their part number is Z35 solid with a 108 lobe center. Let's check it out. Oh, she's in there. There we go. Installing an Iskandarian camshaft, but see all the specifics. That's stuff that, you know, you're not going to get from the kind of over-the-counter comp cams, anything like that. Anyway, let's put that up and look at cam specs. Here is my cam. It is a solid. We got a 525 lift, 288 duration. It's 254 at 50 and 108 lobe center. And they tell you how to set the valves. 16 and 18, valve lash hot. So hopefully you can see that. Sweet. There's a part number again, 390135. And here's the cam. You know my most favorite, Isky Rev Lube XP2000. They include that with every cam. I've never had an Isky cam go flat. It is packaged in its own special goo. Keep it from rusting, rotting, any funky scale getting on it. You can see that stuff. Nice piece, single bolt. I think all small block Mopars are single bolt. Hold the timing chain on. Don't hold me to that. It does not have a keyway. Most cams don't come with a keyway. You'll have to get your own keyway. But that is it in a nutshell. It is 3,000 to 7,000, 1.5 rocker ratio for high performance use, street and strip, low P idle, 2,800 stall. I'll probably be at 4,500 stall, a little bit more than that, but for my combo, it's going to work great. 411 to 488. Remember, I got a 410 up to 750 carb. I've got a 750 and I got an 850 to try out, and 10.5 to 1 compression. I should be at 12 to 1, closer to 12 to 1 when I'm done with this. So, but yeah, I appreciate y'all watching. I just want to get this out and open to you. If I get a chance, I'm going to try to come back later and just throw in a clip of the car running with the cam in it after the motor's built, so that way you can hear the cam and kind of see how it works in my setup. I should have some race videos out for that purple Barracuda. I got some more stuff coming for it today, so I should have those videos up soon. But yeah, I appreciate y'all watching, and I'll see you next time.